When it comes to purchasing a used car, reliability is often at the forefront of every buyer's mind. Warranty-wise, the UK's leading provider of aftermarket warranties has meticulously analyzed data from thousands of car breakdowns and repair claims to determine which models are the most dependable. By examining factors such as age, mileage, repair costs, and the duration of repairs, they've created a comprehensive reliability index for vehicles that are no longer covered by their manufacturer's warranties. Here, we dive into the top 10 most reliable used cars. Number 10. Mitsubishi ASX and Honda CR-V. The Mitsubishi ASX starts our list with a reliability score of 85.3 out of 100. This compact SUV has built a reputation for being dependable, making it a popular choice among used car buyers. Its most common issue lies in the suspension system, which can lead to some noticeable discomfort if not addressed promptly. While the average repair cost is a manageable $965, the priciest repair reported was an engine issue that cost a hefty $4,270. Despite this, its strong performance on other reliability metrics ensures its spot in the top 10. Sharing the 10th spot is the Honda CR-V, particularly the 4th and 5th generation models, 2014 onward. With an identical reliability score of 85.3, the CR-V stands out for its practicality and strong resale value. Electrical faults are the most common problem, though the average repair cost is relatively low at $756. The highest repair bill recorded was a gearbox issue costing $3,600. Thanks to its spacious interior and dependable performance, the CR-V remains a solid choice for families. Number 9. Volkswagen Up and Kia Ceed. The Volkswagen Up and the second-generation Kia Ceed both scored 87.1 on the Reliability Index. The Up, a compact city car, has earned praise for its nimble handling and efficient design. It has faced occasional air conditioning issues, which can be an annoyance during warmer months. The average repair bill is $709, while the most expensive fix, a fuel system fault, amounted to $1,341. Despite these minor issues, the Up's affordability and reliability make it a favorite among city dwellers. The Kia Ceed, on the other hand, has carved a niche for itself as a reliable family hatchback. Its most frequent issues are brake-related, with an average repair cost of $783. A particularly costly gearbox issue once racked up a repair bill of $3,135. However, its well-rounded performance and modern features ensure its place alongside the Up. Interestingly, the Volkswagen Up's slightly newer average age contributed to its matching reliability score. Number 8. Toyota Avensis. The Toyota Avensis, specifically the third-generation model, 2015 to 2018, secures the 8th spot with a reliability score of 88.9. Known for its robust engineering, the Avensis is often the go-to choice for high-mileage drivers. Notably, it boasts the highest average mileage among the top 10, exceeding an impressive 93,000 miles. Fuel system problems are the most common issue, with an average repair cost of $1,150. However, one Avensis owner faced a turbocharger repair bill of $2,500, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance. Its durability and longevity make it a staple for those seeking reliability. Number 7. Toyota Aygo and Mazda 2. Two compact cars, the Toyota Aygo, second generation, and the Mazda 2, third generation, share 7th place with a score of 88.4. The Aygo, with its quirky design and compact size, is perfect for urban environments. Its average repair bill is just $653, with clutch issues being the most frequent. The most expensive repair recorded for an Aygo involved an electrical fault costing $754. This makes it an affordable and reliable option for first-time car buyers. The Mazda 2, on the other hand, combines sporty handling with impressive reliability. It has an average repair cost of $810, with suspension problems being the most common. A particularly costly fuel system repair once amounted to $4,652. Despite this, the Mazda's shorter repair times helped it achieve the same reliability score as the Aygo. Its balance of style, efficiency, and reliability makes it a top contender in its class. Number 6. Seat Me. The Seat Me ranks 6 with a reliability score of 89. This small car is a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers, offering a balance of affordability and dependability. It boasts the lowest average repair cost in the top 10 at just $625. Common issues involve the cooling system, which can be easily resolved with timely maintenance. The highest repair bill on record was $1,655 for a gearbox issue. Interestingly, the Seat Me outperformed its mechanical twin, the Volkswagen Up, due to its higher mileage threshold before encountering problems. Its compact size and reliability make it a favorite for city driving. Number 5. Suzuki SX4. The Suzuki SX4, second generation, post-2014 models, scores 89.3, making it the most reliable small SUV on this list. With its rugged design and practical features, the SX4 appeals to families and adventurers alike. It has an average repair cost of $1,735, with the most frequent issues involving the cooling system. However, one SX4 owner faced an engine repair bill of $8,285, demonstrating the importance of regular servicing. Despite this, the SX4's high average age, nearly 9 years, before requiring repairs contributes to its impressive reliability score. Its ability to tackle various terrains adds to its appeal. Number 4. Suzuki Swift and Toyota Hilux. Two vastly different vehicles, the Suzuki Swift, second and third generations, and the Toyota Hilux, seventh and eighth generations, share fourth place with a score of 89.6. The Swift's most common issues are air conditioning related, with an average repair cost of $752. However, an engine repair once cost $3,084. This compact hatchback's affordability and low maintenance costs make it a practical choice for city driving. The Hilux, a rugged pickup truck, is renowned for its toughness and longevity. Its average repair bill of $1,933 reflects its robust build, with suspension problems being the most frequent. Despite its higher repair costs, the Hilux's exceptional durability and infrequent breakdowns place it alongside the Swift in reliability. Its reputation as the world's toughest vehicle is well-earned, making it a favorite for demanding tasks. Number 3. Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris, third generation, claims third place with a reliability score of 91.5. Known for its fuel efficiency and compact design, the Yaris is a practical choice for city dwellers and commuters. Electrical issues are the most common problem, with an average repair cost of $750. The highest repair bill recorded for a Yaris involved a gearbox fault costing $3,050. Despite these occasional issues, the Yaris remains a top choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient small car. Its reputation for low running costs adds to its appeal. Number 2. Kia Venga. With a reliability score of 93.6, the Kia Venga takes second place. This compact MPV rarely encounters issues, but when it does, electrical problems are the most common. Its spacious interior and versatile design make it ideal for families. The average repair cost is $935, though one owner faced a power steering repair bill of $3,940. Overall, the Venga's dependability and practicality make it a standout in its category. Its blend of reliability and functionality ensures its popularity among used car buyers. Number 1. Suzuki Alto. Topping the list is the Suzuki Alto, with an exceptional reliability score of 95.1. This small car is remarkably trouble-free, with warranty-wise recording minimal data on common issues. The Alto's design emphasizes simplicity and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. The average repair cost is just $940, and the most expensive repair, a gearbox issue, costs $2,165. The Alto's impressive reliability and affordability make it a clear winner for used car buyers. Its minimal downtime during repairs further adds to its charm. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family who might be on the hunt for a dependable ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.